Hey people, just to pardon my mess because I still something I've been meaning to do, but we've had some stupid hot summer. The last thing I've wanted to do is sit here and mess with cables. It is like ridiculously hot. It's been ridiculously hot throughout our summer. So this is where I've got it in a minute. So wardrobe thing here, my router, Virgin router. Control dock normally sits up here, but I've just taken it down because I was tempting to clean, and then realised how short some of my cables were, or tangled up they were. So it's something I need to sort out. Yeah, the system is still going good. I'm looking to put a focal sub in here, so I'll probably do a video on me stripping it out. So that means I have to pull the speaker out of this corner, swap the speakers out. But it's still going. I mean, I've had this since 2007, which most of you probably have. That's a long time. It's still going. The speakers that I've opted to use though, because mine all perished and fell apart, were these creative speakers from the S700 setup, or S750. I really do like these speakers, but they do not take well to being abused. So if you sit there pounding on them all day, the crossover that does a tweeter blows, and then you end up with a load of noise. So I would definitely say that if you could find them, the creative 550s that didn't have the tweeters would do a really good job, but the sound of the tweeters on these things are phenomenal. I still haven't found any decent replacement speakers that are full range to replace these. I bought these off some guy that had a whole box of them from London, because the person that originally owned them died, and I'm still rocking them. I think I've got like 2 spare in the cupboard. But it's done well. It's done really well. As I said before, if you pound on this system hard, put a fan on the heatsink. I don't pound it hard here. The walls are so thin. The last thing I'm doing is going to annoy the neighbours. I might on that random occasion, but it won't be for long, so you don't need a fan. Yeah, if you pound on it hard, need a fan on the heatsink. And this speaker, the original one, blows straight off the bat after 20 minutes if you're going to pound on it hard like that. So car subs are good replacements. Once I catch myself up with my videos and actually get a little bit of money behind me, I will be swapping this sub out. So probably early October, end of September time, I might swap it out. I'll do a video as I swap that out, just explaining the best way to wire this up. I've done it before, but hey, there's nothing wrong with it, and I'll do a cleaner job this time. So all the connections that I had done in here previously are nowhere near as good as what I could do now. I've got all the proper tools, so it'd be good to pop this thing open and put a new sub in it. Also, the actual box itself, again, has also seen better days. I may even just sand the whole thing back and respray it. I'm not sure yet. It'd be good to renew this thing. And I also still need to reorganise all of my cables, all of them. Currently using optical for my audio in. The cable I just unplugged whilst I've been talking was my aux to other devices. But yeah, I'm using optical. It's been going good. Recent Windows update ruined the Sound Blaster decoder though. Yeah, so recent update ruined my decoder, which really annoyed me. But it's Microsoft for you. They may fix it, they may not. But yeah, so about a month's time, I'll do another video of me stripping this out for the sub. Give it about a month. And yeah. In the meantime, if you've still got one of these, keep looking after it. I'll look after you. As I said, the only thing that I've lost on this so far, which I lost within the first month or two of me owning it, was the backlight on this. Very common on these things to burn out. Mine went almost straight away. It looked really cool though with the backlight. I've opted not to bother getting another one because this works, and I've seen a lot of these things die, so I'm quite happy with the backlight going. As I say, update video to come in about a month. 1 month. 1 month for me uploading this. Come back here and I'll show you stripping this thing down, putting a new sub in it, and yeah, shouldn't need to give it a clean, but if I do, then I'll do that in there as well. But anyways, speak to you guys soon, and just keep looking after your Z5500s till then. Bye.